Are you experiencing connection errors? Can't connect to servers? Network issues or lag in Soulmask on PC? If you're unable to join servers, getting disconnected, or dealing with high ping, this guide will help you fix it.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type ipconfig/release. Press Enter. Type ipconfig. Press Enter. Type ipconfig flush DNS. Press Enter. Type netwinsock reset. Press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes. First, open the Start menu. Search for Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Double-click your network adapter. Open Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. In preferred DNS type, 8.8.8.8. In alternate DNS server type, 8.4.4.8. Press OK and close the windows. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Open Advanced Network Settings. Open Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. Press Yes. Press Close. Restart your PC to apply the changes. First, open the Start menu. Type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Go to the Drivers tab. Click on Update Drivers. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. Select your driver and then press Next. Wait for the driver to be reinstalled. Now restart your PC to finish the installation.